Okay, this is the 6mm GoPro replacement lens. So this basically gives you night vision, or converts your camera to full spectrum. So we're about 12 inches away from a 12-inch rule at the moment, and we've tweaked the focus. Obviously you can tweak these right into achieve almost like a macro focus. Zoom out for that so you can just twist the lens so that basically the focal length is very adjustable. But if we go back to the intended use, so if we set this up on our focus chart, so quite easily, right, so you can see that is the 6mm now. So we've showed you the 4mm. To get 12 inches in the screen, you're about 18 to 24 inches away from the 12mm rule. So if we drop it into night vision, then that's with a modest about 12 5mm LED illuminator. So if we scan around the room, you'll see that it's nice and bright. And if I just flip the lights on and then off again, you'll have that ping back in. And that's just looking outside. Ambient light going out of the window.